Hey everyone, welcome to day number 4 of the Etsy Hacks 30-Day Challenge. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to report a review. Now, there are some criteria that you have to meet in order to be able to report a bad review that was left in your Etsy store. So if you go to the actual review that you want to report and you click right here where it says report this review, you're actually able to see the different reasons of why you could report a review. So the first one is review contains private information. So if it has something private about you, review contains objectionable language, review contains advertising or spam, or if the review is about Etsy or a third party. If so, you could definitely go ahead and select the one that applies and then leave an explanation. I do recommend making sure that you're very thorough through the explanation, be as detailed as possible in order for hopefully, right, Etsy overturning this Etsy review. Now, one extra tip that I wanted to give you guys, this happens so much. It happens on one of my groups that I have over like 75,000 members, is the community policy. So if you guys ever get a bad review, do not share that review into other spaces or other communities. Like, don't go to a Facebook group and say, hey, I got this review, take a screenshot of it and share it and say, what should I do? It's okay to talk about it. Like, if you want to say, I got a review because the shipping was late, what should I do? That's okay. But what you don't want to do is copy verbatim for verbatim what the customer said or put their private information out for other people to see, especially when it comes to bad reviews, right? And if you go to Etsy's terms and condition, it strictly says do not use community spaces to discuss interactions with Etsy representatives or to share verbatim extracts of conversations such as emails, DMs, messages, live chats, etc. And what that means is don't share it on other social media platforms. One, it doesn't look as professional, but two, you got to be really careful that someone else on that group or on that platform doesn't report your store. I actually had a student of mine that actually told me she commented on a group. It wasn't mine, but she did a comment and somebody actually reported her store and shared the screenshots and her store got shut down. Now, she has been able to uplift that suspension by the grace of God, but do not do it. It's not worth it. If you want advice, if you want other people to help you with it, that's totally fine. Just don't copy word by word or don't take a screenshot of it and share it on social media platforms or anywhere else that could be traced back to you and your Etsy store. So I kind of wanted to share those two nuggets today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. You learned something new that maybe you didn't know about. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Thanks for watching.